Hey guys, I had to make an ode to Valentine's Day and a cup of coffee because if I could, that's how I would give you my feedback over a cup of coffee. So, overall, I want to thank you first and foremost for your hard work on this essay and for the class in general. It really means a lot to me, and you just make my job easier. So, thank you so much. When we talked about the essays, I really wanted to provide some general feedback. So I gave you specific feedback. Please look for that. And then something that we needed to keep in mind is that this essay is building to our cumulative assignment, in which we will compare and contrast with a common theme in mind. So the first step to this essay is finding a common theme and making that your thesis statement or your point of a whole essay, and then developing that into 3 points and talking about how it occurs in each story. So, for example, if you were to say the theme of love is highlighted in both versions of Cinderella, Perrault's version and Ye Xian, and then you tell me how the main character loves others, how the main character is loved by her godparent, how the main character is loved by the prince, and then you show how the two stories that happens in each story. Make sure you're using in-text citations. I've given you some examples to follow. You can also go to that citation button or the student sample, and then a works cited page as well. I hope all of that makes sense. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. And I want to reemphasize that this is a homework assignment, so if you're not happy with your grade, it's totally not the end of the world. It's not going to hurt you, and you can only improve. So please make sure that you know that, and I'm here to help you in any way I can. So thanks so much. Have a great weekend.